Hello everyone, here's a quick demo of Argus. In this project, we're trying to connect JSON BDI to the game Minecraft. As already described in the paper, the environment consists of uh, JSON BDI agents that are going to fight against a set of zombies, and then they can collaborate with each other and they can build weapons of different sorts. So in the setup as described in the paper, we have 8 zombies versus 8 JSON BDI agents, which 4 of them are of the attacker strategy and the other 4 are of the capitalist strategy. In this particular case, we have chosen an alliance size of 2 for each strategy. So you can think of it as the attackers will only form alliance if they have even or odd numbers. So A1 would make an alliance with A3 and A2 would make an alliance with A4. Similarly, C1 would make an alliance with C3 and C2 would make an alliance with C4. So let's see how this setup plays out in this case. So as you can see, we first start by loading the game Minecraft. We go to multiplayer and then we can start our server by running the Gradle command. So we wait for the server to load and it might take a few seconds for the server to properly load, and once the server loads, it will show up as a valid local server on the Minecraft client, so we can click play and connect to the server. So you can see the agents are already forming alliances, they're all there. So something to note is that you will see sparkles around the agent heads. Those are there to represent the reasoning cycles that each agent is going through. So as you can see, the reasoning cycles are quite fast, they're constantly thinking. You can see the zombies, you can see that they're trying to fight each other. So the agents are running around trying to chop wood, so you can see some of them run towards the trees. That's them to chop wood. So you can see a few of them are able to build houses. They haven't gone to the houses yet. That means that their health level has not been low. You can actually see one of the agents just went to the house. So as you can see, the moment they go into the house, they become invisible. This allows them to hide from the zombies, but then the others who are outside, some of them may get killed by the zombies, the others are still trying to fight. You can actually see some of the agents were able to build weapons. You can see a couple of them with swords, so that gives them a greater sort of attack power, a greater source of attack for the zombies. They can attack multiple zombies at once. Some of them may attack each other. So in this, for example, in this setup, you can see a few of the attackers are in houses and a few of the capitalists are in the house. But then once those come out, because they're no longer in the same, they're not in the same alliance, obviously, they will start to fight each other. So you might actually see attackers and capitalists start to fight each other. So you can see this attacker with the sword is waiting, essentially, for the agents to come out. And yeah, once they run into each other, they start fighting. They also try to run the agents. So we're coming to the end of the simulation. As you can see, the 1 minute and 30 seconds time for the simulation ran out. And you can see the final result.